Good morning to everyone. As we know that the topic which needs to be addressed today is clean air and sustainable environment. And I want the participation of each one of you because everyone, including me, is responsible for causing air pollution. Earlier, the air we breathe in used to be pure and fresh. But due to increasing industrialization and concentration of poisonous gases in the environment, the air is getting more and more toxic day by day. Also, these gases are the causes of many respiratory and other diseases. Air pollution is a global concern contributing to a wide range of health risks. According to the World Health Organization data, around 7 million people die worldwide every year from exposure to the polluted air. More than 80% of the people living in urban areas are exposed to concentration higher than the level recommended by WHO. Today, India is one of the countries that are severely affected by air pollution. More than half of the world's 20 most polluted cities are located in India. Sensing the urgency, the Government of India launched the National Clean Air Program (NCAP) with an aim to reduce pollution level in 122 non-attainment cities by 20 to 30% by 2024. In view of this, the global program Climate Change and Environment of the Swiss Agency for Development and Cooperation has initiated a project, Clean Air Project in India, to support India's efforts for improving air quality. Clean Air Program India was launched in 4 cities, Lucknow and Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh, Nashik and Pune in Maharashtra. World Research Institute (WRI), the Environmental Defense Fund, and the US Agency for International Development (USAID) established clean air catalysts to help cities reduce air pollution by advancing solutions that safeguards health and address the climate crisis. Clean Air Catalyst is currently working with Indo-Municipal Corporation and Madhya Pradesh Pollution Control Board to mitigate air pollution and related issues. Air pollution is a major environmental concern in India and it's caused by a variety of factors. Some of the key causes of air pollution in India are industrial emission, transportation, burning of fossil fuel, agriculture activities, natural sources such as dust and wildfires. Industrial emission. Industries are a major source of air pollution in India, with emission from factories and power plants contributing significantly to the problem. According to a report by the Center for Science and Environment (CSE), industries account for about 90% of total particulate matter (PM) emission in India. Transportation. The transportation sector is another major contributor to air pollution in India. According to a study by the Energy Policy Institute at the University of Chicago, vehicle emissions account for more than half of the PM 2.5 pollution in Delhi. Burning of fossil fuel. Burning of coal, oil, and natural gas for energy production is a significant contributor to air pollution in India. The burning of fossil fuel in power plants, industries, and vehicles releases pollutants like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and carbon dioxide, which contribute to air pollution. Agriculture activities. Agriculture activities such as burning of crop residues and use of fertilizer and pesticide contribute significantly to air pollution in India. According to a study by the Indian Agricultural Research Institute, agricultural burning accounts for about 70% of total PM 2.5 emission in India. Thereby, air pollution could be controlled by the following steps. Demonstrating pilot projects in selected sectors with high mitigation potential in the edged area of the 4 cities. Strengthening capacities to prepare and implement action plan. National and international exposure visit to showcase best practices. raising awareness for clean air action in different sections of local community, capacity building of media and NGOs for awareness generation on air pollution, sensation through health camps, citizen workshops and action project with students. And the last and the best solution is that technology helps us to save the planet, but more than anything, we must learn to value them. Does Wally technology helps us to clean our earth? Then I would say no, because the engineers who work hard for our world is also an important personality in reducing the pollution level. Moreover, technology and engineers are an important and eminent aspects of a clean and fresh air. Apart from this, as a part of our program, we had a field study to find out the implications of industries functioning in our district. On 10/2/2023, we the members of Maroon team with our parents visited a cashew factory RIEPL at Kapikadam. So, we could witness the effects of air pollution from the carbon particles of the leaves of the factory. Next, we could also notice the smoke coming out from the factory, which is the main reason of air pollution. The government authorities inspected the factory and ensured that proper air filters are filled in the chimneys before the air is let out. We could imagine the extent of air pollution that will be caused by other big industries like coal. As an young scientist, we all should give awareness to the people about the effects of polluted air because air is very necessary for our living and without the absence of air, the earth is zero. Polluted air is one of the major impact on human beings as well as animals. So we all have to cooperate together and work hard for breathing a clean and fresh air. Thank you. Have a marvelous day.